Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to explore KLING AI and SORA AI video generator. We're going to explore their strength and their weaknesses. We're going to explore their qualities and everything in between. So stay tuned. So first things first, let's compare the pricing, which is the most important factor in these platforms. So for SORA AI, it's paid. They don't have a free option, and it's $20 a month. And you get ChatGPT Plus, and you get all these up to 50 videos. I think you get like 1,000 credits. Yes, you get 1,000 credits, and the quality is only 720p. You don't have 1080p. That's with the Pro one, which is $200 a month, which is a lot in my opinion. And you can only get 5 seconds duration videos, which is good because it is enough if you want to create like a storyboard, and it is enough to create like animations or like YouTube shorts or like TikToks and like vertical form videos. So it's paid. SORA AI is paid. It's $20 a month. For KLING AI, it's completely free, but the catch is it's a lot slower to generate videos. SORA AI is much faster with generating some like videos and stuff. In terms of quality, in my opinion, SORA AI, they have much higher quality videos, and it's not just the quality, even the physics and the animation, the movement, is everything. It's way better. But still, it's paid. For KLING AI, it's free. It's completely free, and I think you get like 350 credits, and you can generate a lot of images and videos, and the duration is up to I think 10 seconds and 1080p the quality. So it is good. It is good, but you need a lot of trying. You need to try the right prompt, and you need to do a lot of trial and error with KLING. If you have the capacity to do that, go ahead. It's completely fine. You will get some very good like results. I mean, take a look here. These are some crazy results. This is all AI generated videos. I mean, this is insane. You can use these. You can use these videos for TikToks, for YouTube Shorts, and you can make a lot of money with them. I mean, this is insane. So this is the main factor. And now we're gonna compare the quality. We're gonna try some prompts, and then we're gonna check the quality. So I came up with this prompt, and we're gonna try it on SORA AI, and then we're gonna try it with KLING AI, and then we're gonna compare the results. It's a group of 3 colored little cats walk around in a grassy backyard, blah 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 blah. You can see it here. So, and it's gonna be 9:16, and the quality is gonna be 480 because it's gonna be a lot quicker to generate. And I think that's good. And then let's generate, and then we're gonna do the same thing with KLING AI. We go to AI video, and then we think we're gonna choose KLING 1.5 or 1.6. Let's try it out. This is my first time trying, and we're gonna text the video. I'm gonna then we're gonna put the prompt here, and then creativity. Gonna give it the higher creativity. 5 seconds is fine. At least we have the option for 10 seconds, and then we're gonna make it 9:16, and then I'm gonna leave everything as is, and then we're gonna generate. So I got the result already from SORA AI, and I actually changed it from 420p to 720p, and this looks really good. I mean, the textures and then the shadows, and this is a completely usable video. You can use this. You can actually use it. It's good. I mean, the physics and the movement are like a bit off, but that's normal with AI video. But it's really good. And this is with no revisions or anything else. It's just this is the first thing I got when I typed the prompt. So with more details, and you can change some stuff and tune some stuff, you will get like much higher quality stuff. And for KLING AI, nothing yet. Still processing here. So we'll keep waiting. And we finally got the video. It took like 8 to 10 minutes. So this is the results. Took a long time, and then I had to change it from KLING 1.6, which is this one, to 1.0 just to make it faster, and it took like 8 minutes. I think it's more. And this is the results. It's completely, in my opinion, unusable, but again, it's free. If you have time, if you have patience, keep trying, and then keep like tuning the prompts, and you will get some good results. But I'm not spending any more time with KLING AI, especially the text to video, especially when you can get these results here. Where is it? My videos. I mean, this is good. Take a look. Even the camera movement. So now we try the text to video, and now we're gonna try the image to video, and then we're gonna compare like SORA AI to KLING AI, and then we're gonna compare both of them to the text to video. So you go here, and then you upload an image. I already got one. It's this one. Open, and let's change the aspect ratio. Yeah, sounds about right. And then let's generate. Let's try the same thing here. Image to video, same one. We're gonna remove the prompt, and then 5 seconds. Where's the aspect ratio? Let's hit generate. So it's generating in here. Let's see. Okay, so this is without any prompts. This is good. It's moving. It's something. This is without any prompts. So here it says it's gonna take 4 minutes. So let's put some prompts, and we're gonna upload the same video again. Sorry, it's the same photo again, and we'll see. So KLING AI is still generating. It says it's gonna take 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna upload the same photo again to SORA AI, and then I'm gonna put this prompt, same settings, and let's see the results. Hopefully this will be done soon, and you can try the image to video with the prompts. So we'll see. And we got the result from KLING AI, which is just an image without any prompts, without anything else, just an image to see what's gonna happen. And it's good. The quality is not that good, but it's something. It's usable. So now let's try the image to video with a prompt. So where's the image to video? Here's the video, the image, and no, not the negative one, the prompt. And then let's see, let's hit generate. We'll see. Let's see SORA AI. Okay, and oh my god, yeah, you can see the physics is off. It's completely like off, and it's not. This is not even the same cat. It's not even the same cat. Yeah, this needs a lot of work. This is unusable. It's not even the same. It's not even the same camera movement. Look. Yeah. So this is completely trash. This is usable-ish. You can use it. This is great. The text to video. This is awesome. And for KLING AI, it just takes a lot of time. I mean, let's take a look here. This is unusable. Let's take a look here. This is usable. This is fine. It's just needs more tuning with the prompt, and we're still waiting for the image to video. We'll see. So I changed the prompt to this cat is moving in the kitchen, just that, nothing more, just to see what's gonna happen. And this is actually good. It's usable. You can actually use this. It's only 5 seconds, but it's something. So see, just by changing the prompt you can get results instead of this one, which is completely off everything. You can get this one by just changing the prompt. So here's that. And then we're still waiting for KLING AI. We'll see. It says here 1 minute. And we finally got the results from KLING AI. And it's good. It's good. It's good-ish. It's it's usable. It's still 5 seconds, but it's usable. I mean, take a look. At least the movement is not, it's not this. At least it's not this. And it's free. So with KLING AI, even SORA AI, you need to lower your expectations, and it's a lot of trial and error. You need to try a lot of things. You need to try a lot of formulas, try a lot of prompts. You need to tune a lot of words, so you can find your style and you can find your videos, and you can keep generating these videos for your like social media or your YouTube or and such. So it's a process. It's a process, but you can use the bottom line. You can use KLING AI to train yourself to dip your toes into this like AI video generation stuff. And if you like it and you need more horsepower, you can always just go to SORA AI and just sign up for the premium account. It's $20 a month. And if you use it for business or even for like your audience, to grow an audience or to grow your like social media accounts and presence, so you can use it. So I'm gonna put both of KLING AI website and SORA AI website in the description. If you have any questions or you want me to cover any topics or you want to try something else, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. So thank you. Bye.